Hey guys, I just want to do a quick video to show you how to set up an email account in Outlook. So the email account, we've already created that in cPanel, which we did a video on before. This is now how to actually put the settings in so you can receive the email. So this is with Outlook. Setting up emails is one of those things. It's kind of easy and it's hard at the same time. It's easy because regardless of what device you're using, whether it's a phone or a Mac or a PC, the settings or the authentication settings that you need are the same. It's difficult in the fact that they're what it's called or where you put them on all your different devices and software is probably a little bit different. So anyway, this is how you do it in Outlook. We'll see how we go. So firstly, click on File, and over here you can see Account Settings. So we'll go click on that. We're in the Email tab here. We just go Add New. So the first bit is, this is just a display name. So it could be anything you want. It's what your clients will see when you email them, so you should call it something sensible. The email address goes here. So we're setting up test@printmonster.net.au. Your password. Then we click on Manual Setup or Additional Server Types. Next. So down here we want to select the POP or IMAP option. As you can see here, this bit is automatically filled in, so that's all fine. The incoming mail server. Now we have more than one server, but for this one it's host2.buzzword.net.au. And if you're on our other server, it would be host1. Username is the entire email address, not just the first bit. And the password. I always untick this box here that says automatically test. Require login using SPA, yes. Then we click on more settings. So the outgoing mail server, my outgoing server requires authentication, yes. And use the same settings as my incoming mail server. It's correct. With the advanced, this is where you put port numbers in. Because we're using a secure connection, these will need to be changed. So the incoming server for POP is 995. And the outgoing server is 465. And we can get you all this information if required. This server requires an encrypted connection, yes. And use the following type is SSL. The rest of this is all okay, so let's click OK. Over here it's saying, do we want to deliver messages to a new Outlook data file or an existing one? This is essentially, if you create a new one, it's more or less a new inbox. If you want to keep your mail separate, I'm just going to leave it like that for now, because this is just a test account. Otherwise I would select existing, just so all my emails are in one spot. Next. And according to this, it's all done. So what we need to do now is send a test message and receive a test message to make sure it's all working. So if we click New Email, we'll choose that test account, and we'll send to the test account as well. All right, let's see what happens. So we do a send receive. You can see down here, this is that new inbox I mentioned before. So if we click on that, we look at the inbox, we can see that there's our test message that we just sent, blah, blah, which means we can send and we can receive. That's about it. So hopefully you find this helpful. If you get stuck, let us know. We can always help out. But that's it. Cheers, guys.